Hey kids, Smath here again. I've got another gas stoich problem for you to solve. Now this one, they gave us the reaction. Sodium phosphates reacting with a little bit of water, going to make some phosphoric acid and sodium hydroxide. Now you're thinking, how does this really become a gas stoich problem? Well, what they did was we collected 500 mils of water. The problem is that water was vapor. It's at 150 degrees Celsius and it's at a little bit of a high pressure. That's going to react with excess Na3PO4. They want to know how many H3PO4s. So I'm just going to sneak a U in there, and I'm going to sneak a K in right there with my H2O. The first thing we got to do, this is going to be a two-step problem. First thing, we're going to use the ideal gas law, find out how many moles of this H2O we're going to have, and then we're going to do an H2O to H3PO4 stoich, turn that into moles, call it a day. Here's what it looks like. Calculate N. We're going to use same old PV and RT. What's my pressure? 1.13 atmospheres. That was at a volume of 0.5 liters. Take that 500, that 500's in mils. Turn that into liters. Slide it over 3. 1, 2, 3. I get 0.5 liters. That's equal to the moles that we're looking for. And since our pressure's in atmospheres, we're going to want our pressure 0.082 liter atmospheres per mole Kelvin. And we ended that with Kelvin, 150 Celsius. That's pretty warm. Add that to 273. That's going to give me 423 for my temperature in Kelvin. Now, if I solve this, I'm going to find out we have 0.016 moles of H2O. That's the first step in this problem. Find out how many moles we've got. Now we have to do the stoich. We have to go from H2O to H3PO4 and turn that into grams. Here's what that looks like. We're going to start with our known 0.16 moles of H2O. Now, just do a U over K, unknown over known. I have 1 mole of H3PO4, and I've got 3 moles of H2O, and then they're asking for how many grams could be produced. That grams is going to come from the periodic table. 1 mole of H3PO4 is 98 grams. And if I calculated this correctly, we should have 0.532 grams of H3PO4. So simply a two-step problem. Use the ideal gas law to find out the moles, then use those moles to solve for the stoichiometry, calculate the grams at the end. This is another gas stoich problem. I'm Smath. I hope this video helps you.